Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bratt token. Now the Bratt token is Brett's child. Name of the token is Bratt, B-R-A-T-T. That is also the ticker symbol. This token is actually trending number 19 right now on DEX Screener in the base section. This token's doing pretty well here, almost at $1 million market cap. There's been some other spin-off tokens regarding Bratt on the base chain. There was one called Bolt, and there was one called Balt, which is Brett's cat and dog. I've done videos on those in the past, but this is a newer one called the Bratt token. We're going to go over the information on the Bratt token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So right now, they have 914 holders, so they're almost at 1,000, their first 1,000 holders here. Token is up about 5% right now, kind of, staying the same really. 5% is not a lot either way in the crypto world as opposed to the stock market. So, yeah, trending today, this token on DEX Screener, it's trending number 15. They have done some marketing on DEX Screener as well. It says they've had ads on there, so they're good, doing a good job of promoting themselves. They have a Telegram you could join. It's kind of like a gobbledygook address here, but you can find it on their webpage, which is brattofficial.com. On their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there as usual. At Bratt on Base, they have 163 tweets so far, so pretty active on the socials here. It says, Bratt, a baby character of Brett. Just like Pepe, don't miss the next big meme coin on Base. So, yeah, lots of very popular meme coins on Base lately. Same with Solana and Base is like the two chains that have probably the most popular meme coins right now. I mean, Ethereum and BNB will always be having tons of meme coins that are popular as well. But right now, the trend, it seems to be Base and Solana. A lot of Andrew Tate related Solana tokens came out yesterday and today because of his new token. Check out my video on that, the RNT token. But yeah, so that we've had, Pepe's the first Matt Furie character from the Boysclub. Then they've had Landwolf, Bird Dog, Andy, Brett, and then we've had spin-offs, all sorts of different ones. And then lately there's been a lot of Brett spin-offs. So this is the new one. Their Twitter just joined in June 2024. Their Twitter has a link to their webpage right there. And they have over 2,000 followers. And in their pinned tweet, they have a link to their contract address, DEX Screener, where you can see the chart, website, the Telegram I was talking about. So basically all the links are on this Twitter right here. And if you wanted to get this token here, you can get this token by funding your Coinbase wallet or your Ethereum wallet, funding your Coinbase wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet with ETH, and then bridging that ETH to Base, and then going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Base for the Bratt token. So it says, welcome to the Bratt meme, revolutionizing the meme coin landscape with innovative utilities and community-driven features. On their webpage, they do have a button that says Buy Bratt. That'll take you right over to Uniswap. So Bratt is the most fun and innovative meme cryptocurrency on Base, the adorable baby of Brett. Our token brings meme culture to the world of cryptocurrencies offering our users unique, entertaining, and profitable experiences. Bratt is more than just a crypto. It's a passionate community about memes in the internet culture. Participate in meme competitions, vote on new designs, and shape the future of Bratt. Developed on the Base network, our token leverages the power of a robust and secure blockchain, ensuring fast and safe transactions. With an innovative and active and engaged community, Bratt is continuously growing. Every meme, every trade, and every interaction helps strengthen and add value to our token. So the relationship between Brett and Bratt is more than just simple continuity. It is a story of legacy and evolution where the learning and success of the previous generation pave a way for the new generation. So on their webpage, you can see the actual picture of Brett and Bratt in a comic book, like in the Boysclub, so you can see where this meme comes from. So their roadmap starts with project creation, then the launch on Uniswap, then there's going to be central exchange listings next, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, partnerships, more holders, airdrops, bigger community, and collaborations, and they say hopefully with Brett. On their webpage, you can actually see an embedded chart on there as well. And so they have a contact email at the bottom of their page, DEX tools, DEX screener, socials, all that type of stuff. So this token has a market cap right now of $923,000. Right now it's up 10%, still trending. They have $99,000 in liquidity. 24-hour trading volume is $481,000. This pair was actually just created around a week ago on Uniswap, so it's a fairly new token. They have a Go Plus, Quick Intel, and Token Sniffer security audit on DEX Screener. On Go Plus security, it says no issues. Quick Intel security, no issues. Token Sniffer, no issues. So that's great to see that. And they have here, it doesn't say liquidity is locked, so just be aware of that. I don't see a liquidity lock button. And besides that, though, on DEX tools, there is one alert. So let's have a look to see what that is here. So on DEX tools, it says there's just a conflict. So Quick Intel says there's anti-whale, and Go Plus security says Go Plus says there is anti-whale, and Quick Intel says there isn't. So sometimes there's conflicts like that. I don't know why, but other than that, all their quick audits are good. I just don't see a liquidity lock. But go have a look at this token yourself and let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about the Bratt token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.